Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. An employee earns $24 per hour and is paid 1.5 times for overtime. During 2025, they work 100 hours overtime. What amount represents the maximum overtime premium eligible for the federal deduction, assuming all other requirements are met? So they are paid $24 regular pay. What's the overtime pay? You multiply this by 1.5 and that's going to be $36. Of the $36, 24 is regular pay and $12 is overtime. Now, if they worked 100 hours of overtime, we're looking at 1,200 of overtime premium. Now, the pay will be a little bit more, the total pay, but the premium that they can deduct is 1,200. Only the premium portion, not the total overtime, is deductible. Now, if you're using Farhat Lectures, you can ask Farhat Lectures AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer. There's not much here of the computation, but if you need to, or better, you could ask the AI to create a similar MCQ to help you practice this problem in a different setting. What should you do now? Farhat Lectures, you have to go there, practice, invest in yourself, whether you're a CPA, enrolled agent, accounting student. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Best of luck, God bless, and stay safe.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AICPA questions, previously released AICPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.